Learn English to Gujarati connectors, admittedly, but to,
जो के, परंतु,
and.
का तो.
Welcome, brave connector explorer. Hey, you are about to make your Gujarati sound smoother, smarter, and a little more dramatic. Today you will learn how to link ideas without sounding like a robot that only knows the word, and. Welcome in. We are learning powerful connector patterns in Gujarati, the kind that help you compare, balance, reject, choose, and gently disagree. Think of them as the social life of grammar. Words meet other words, sparks fly, and suddenly your sentence has personality. Today's stars are
जो के, परंतु,
for, admittedly, but,
एक तरफ, बीजी तरफ,
for, on the one hand, on the other hand,
मात्र, ज नहीं परंतु, पण,
for, not only, but also,
बने, अने,
for, both, and,
न तो,
for, neither, nor,
का तो,
for, either, or, and,
जेटलू, तेटलू,
for both, the, and, as patterns in different contexts. Yes, one pattern doing two jobs. Gujarati came to work today. A tiny story with big connectors. Listen to this short story and enjoy the chaos. Your mission is simple. Notice how each connector changes the mood. Ravi wanted breakfast.
एक तरफ,
He wanted tea.
बीजी तरफ,
He wanted coffee. Truly a crisis for the ages. His aunt said,
का तो,
tea,
का तो,
coffee, choose one. Ravi stared at the table like a philosopher in slippers. Then he announced, I want
बने, अने,
tea and coffee. Bold, questionable, caffeinated. His grandmother replied,
जो के,
You are enthusiastic.
परंतु,
Your stomach is not a laboratory. His sister joined in.
मात्र,
Tea,
ज नहीं परंतु,
biscuits,
पण,
are on the table. Now the negotiation was getting serious. Ravi sighed and said he wanted
न तो,
plain tea,
न तो,
black coffee. He wanted something fancy. Grandmother smiled. Fine.
जेटलू,
You complain.
तेटलू,
Your breakfast gets later. A classic grandmother theorem. Finally Ravi tasted the masala chai and said, This is
जेटलू, तेटलू,
good as the cafe version. Grandmother said nothing. She only gave him the look. You know the look. Pattern by pattern. Now let's slow down and make each connector feel easy in your mouth and clear in your mind. First, admittedly, but, is.
जो के, परंतु,
Example.
जो के તે મોંઘું છે, પરંતુ તે ઉપયોગી છે.
Meaning, admittedly, it is expensive, but it is useful. Second, on the one hand. On the other hand, is.
એક तरफ, બીજી तरफ.
Example.
એક तरफ હું મુસાફરી કરવા માંગુ છું, બીજી तरफ હું પૈસા બચાવવા માંગુ છું.
Third, not only, but also, is.
માત્ર, જ નહીં પરંતુ, પણ.
Example.
આ પુસ્તક માત્ર ઉપયોગી જ નહીં પરંતુ રસપ્રદ પણ છે.
Fourth, both, and, is.
બને, અને,
Example idea, she likes
બને, અને.
tea and coffee. This is the happy, generous connector. It invites everyone to the party. Fifth, neither, nor, is.
ન તો.
Example.
મને ન તો આ જોઈએ, ન તો તે.
Meaning, I want neither this nor that. Sixth, either, or, is.
કાં તો.
Example.
કાં તો આજે, કાં તો કાલે.
Meaning, either today or tomorrow. Seventh, the, is often.
જેટલું, તેટલું.
Example.
જેટલું તમે અભ્યાસ કરો, તેટલું તમે વધુ સારા બનો.
Eighth, as can also use the matching comparison family, often heard as.
જેટલું, તેટલું.
Or gender number forms like.
જેટલી, તેટલી.
And.
જેટલા, તેટલા.
Example.
આ બોક્સે બોક્સ જેટલું જ ભારે છે.
Funny memory hooks. Let's make these stick. A little silliness helps your brain remember faster. Picture.
જો કે,
As a polite nod, and.
પરંતુ,
As a dramatic finger in the air. First you admit something, then boom, contrast. 4.
એક તરફ, બીજી તરફ.
Imagine your brain wearing 2 tiny boxing gloves, one on each side, gently sparring with pros and cons. 4.
માત્ર, જ નહીં પરંતુ, પણ.
Imagine ordering one samosa and the universe replying, surprise, you also get chutney, dessert, and emotional support. 4.
બંને, અને.
Think of a buffet plate that has absolutely no interest in moderation. 4.
ન તો, ન તો.
Imagine rejecting 2 terrible haircut options. Wise. 4.
કાં તો, કાં તો.
Picture 2 doors. Behind one is tea. Behind the other is coffee. Behind neither is enough sleep. 4.
જેટલું, તેટલું.
Imagine 2 elevator bars rising together. The more one goes up, the more the other follows. Grammar with engineering vibes. Mini drill time. You are not just listening now. You are playing. Answer in your head or out loud like a legend. How do you say, admittedly, but in Gujarati? Answer.
જો કે, પરંતુ.
How do you say, on the one hand, on the other hand? Answer.
એક તરફ, બીજી તરફ.
How do you say, not only, but also? Answer.
માત્ર, જ નહીં પરંતુ, પણ.
How do you say, both, and? Answer.
બંને, અને.
How do you say, neither, nor? Answer.
ન તો, ન તો.
How do you say, either, or? Answer.
કાં તો, કાં તો.
How do you say, the more style comparison? Answer.
જેટલું, તેટલું.
How do you express, as in this comparison family? Answer. Forms like.
જેટલું, તેટલું. જેટલી, તેટલી.
Or.
જેટલા, તેટલા.
Depending on the noun and context. Build your own sentences. Now you try a few easy models. Copy them first, then swap in your own words. Say.
જો કે રસ્તો લાંબો છે, પરંતુ દૃશ્ય સુંદર છે.
Admittedly, the road is long, but the view is beautiful. Say.
એક તરફ નોકરી સારી કમાણી આપે છે, બીજી તરફ તે તણાવભરી છે.
Say.
તે માત્ર હોશિયાર જ નહીં પરંતુ દયાળુ પણ છે.
Say, I like.
બંને, અને.
Music and silence. Yes, that is a suspicious personality trait, but grammatically excellent. Say.
ન તો ચા ન તો કોફી.
Short, clear, dramatic. Say.
કાં તો તે આવે, કાં તો અમે જઈએ.
Say.
જેટલું તમે શીખો, તેટલું તમે વધુ આત્મવિશ્વાસી બનો.
Say.
તે પોતાના ભાઈ જેટલો જ મજબૂત છે.
Quick recap and goodbye. You did great. Seriously, your connectors are already less awkward than most group chats. Today you learned.
જો કે, પરંતુ. એક તરફ, બીજી તરફ. માત્ર, જ નહીં પરંતુ, પણ. બંને, અને. ન તો, કાં તો, કાં તો.
And.
જેટલું, તેટલું.
For comparison patterns like the, and as. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, make your own silly examples, and come back tomorrow. The more you practice,
જેટલું તમે અભ્યાસ કરો, તેટલું.
easier Gujarati will feel. You are doing wonderfully.